Hey everyone, I'm Charli Q-Pan and I'm a spray paint artist, and today I'm extremely excited to show this video off because in the last week now we came across this really awesome artist, and they go by the name of Iris Lune, and I have to admit they are so good that I can actually compare them to Radiohead. They gave us permission to use their music in our videos, and I'm extremely excited about it because this is just the type of music I can paint to for hours, okay? Like, oh my gosh, their music is so intense, it's so inspirational, it's so... If I could put it into words, I would. Special shout out to Iris Lune. You guys are amazing, and we are honored that you guys are giving us the permission to use your music. You guys will never know how much it means to us. We listen to your music like at least 4 or 5 times a day, and that's repeat, okay? If you guys are interested in the music and you like what you hear and see, you guys leave comments down below. If you want to find the music, we will put the links down below as well, so that way you guys can enjoy it just as much as we do. You have a beautiful day, peace, love, and all the above. Iris Lune!
Yay, Iris Lune!
Yay! Oh, and I want to give a special shout out to the folks at YM Camera in Boardman, Ohio. You guys are awesome. You hooked us up with these really awesome lights, this nice, beautiful backdrop, and the awesome tripod that we are hoping will last us forever. You guys are awesome. Have a beautiful day.
He lets the water run him over. Feels the limpid stream uncover. Hands held wide, head tilted, and the sun soaks him gently, waiting for answers. Flutter softly, feels the liquid fill him with clarity. Hands held close, heart tilted, and the breeze rocks him lightly, pulling him under. Gravity hits hard. The salt and the seaweed are draping his heart.